SCHOTT of Germany, ROUTLIFFE of Canada, COAN of USA, Great Britain's RODGERS, GRAHL of China, and TILK of Estonia. Lanes 2 to 7, 6 swimmers. Mackenzie Cowan, two-time gold medalist already in individual events, plus a relay silver to her credit. ROUTLIFFE going in 3 for Canada, got off to a good start, but so too RODGERS for Great Britain. Second in 2013, third in 2015 at the World Championships, a bronze medalist of London 2012, and she's been caught by Cowan on her outside. Now, Cowan and Jordan train alongside one another in the United States. Cowan and Jordan, very good friends, very close friends, and are both very good at this event, swimming similar times. But strangely enough, despite the fact that Jordan is the reigning world champion who swam in Heat 1, Cowan is swimming faster times this year in this event and is looking to prove that point with a touch at 33.55 at the 50 split.
Well, that 50 split for Cowan, 33.55, as you say, a full second quicker than in the previous heat. So we know she's taken it out a lot harder and perhaps wanting to set herself up for the inside lane heading into the final. She's
definitely got the inside lane going at this speed. She's a second and a half ahead of RODGERS at the 50 touch, and she'll be well ahead of that by the time she hits the 100 wall. So Mackenzie Cowan is swimming very strongly here, and Kenzie, as she's known to many, is going to touch the wall well ahead of anybody else, and she's just outside Paralympic record time here, Mackenzie Cowan, a 109.74. RODGERS hits the wall second, and it's third for Ke Li Ting, only just ahead of ROUTLIFFE of Canada going in 3. SCHOTT finishes 5th, and TILK of Estonia comes to the wall in 123.85. So that is a very strong swim from Mackenzie Cowan, a 109.74, just showing a little intent. Good dominant display early on, high intensity from Cowan.
Well, she took it out hard. The end result, that second heat was about 4 seconds faster than the first heat, so there's more than just a little difference there. She took it out hard, but what was impressive was, given she's in the middle of a very busy program, she just seemed to swim that back 50 at a very solid pace, didn't appear to drop it or tire at all.
Very popular champion was Mackenzie Cowan for 2 of her golds. And she set herself up nicely for center lane in the final of the women's 100 free S7. Confirming who advances to the final though. Cowan quickest ahead of GRAHL, HUANG, RODGERS, Jordan, Ke, ROUTLIFFE and SCHOTT of Germany. So 2 Germans, 2 Americans.